Hey guys, how's it going? How to analyze your writing style using Grammarly AI. So first of all, install the Grammarly AI, or make sure that you update it to the latest version if you did. Go back to your screen and then go ahead to the settings and try to pin down apps, right? Go ahead and try to search for Grammarly. Make sure that the keyboard is toggled on. Make sure that you allow Grammarly to have full access to your keyboard. So make sure that you color these two green, right? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead to the website. I'm gonna go ahead to the official website, right? And then I can continue without installation, right? And first of all, set up your writing goals. If your intention of that article or of this text to modify mistakes or set the tone for this text to be a press release or formal or casual or neutral, you can do that by selecting the empty space, and you're gonna see your keyboard, right? You can go ahead and switch to right here, click the global icon right here at the bottom left and switch to Grammarly, right? So in my case, I'm gonna hold and switch to Grammarly. And then what you're gonna do, click the green pencil right here next to the done at the bottom right. Click the empty space, click the green pencil, and then hit continue, and you're gonna be able to set the tone for your text, right? If you want it to be, neutral, casual, or formal, right? You can see right here the suggestions to generate that text to make it more exciting, informative, direct, whatever that might be for you. You can go ahead and select generate text, right? And just hit insert. And as you can see right here, they will make it more formal. And then review the Grammarly's feedback as you write. If you're starting to write, "Hi, how are you?" right? "I want to buy a new house," right? You're gonna see the highlighted word underlying with the red, right? And that means that this text need to be modified, right? So as you write, Grammarly will underline the mistakes and areas for improvement in real time. The tools detects issues related to grammar, clarity, tone, and engagement. And then you're gonna analyze the word choice, right? And I want, for example, to talk to you, right? And you can see right here the auto correction. You can go ahead and choose the correct word, right? And after analyzing the word choice and sentence structure, you're gonna read it again. "Hi, how are you? I want to buy a new house and I want to talk to you," right? And you're gonna see, Grammarly goes beyond grammar, so it analyzes your word choice in sentence structure to improve your overall style. If it helps avoid overly long, complex sentences, Grammarly identifies repeated words or phrases, and it can suggest more impactful words based on the context, boosting your vocabulary and style, right? And basically, understand the writing insights. You can use that app for the insights, but of course you need to have the premium up and running. Go ahead and click the insights, and if you want to get insights, just make sure that you check it weekly, right? And you have the premium version, because they will not, I believe that they will not make you, or they will not help you see the insights if you don't upgrade to premium, right? But you can check it out after a week if you start writing in your articles or your texts, right? And you can after analyzing your document or text, go through the Grammarly's suggestions. Some may be a minor tweaks, right, while writing. document, like adjusting punctuation, I can show you an example right here in Grammarly, right? There's a demo document, right? And you're gonna see right here the underlying tone for the text, right? And you're gonna see the underline for blue or red. Red means that the sentence needs to change, and sometimes the blue line suggests that there is a better punctuation, right? Okay, you're gonna see right here the error, and that means that this text needs to change, right? And you can accept the suggestions, right? You can click remove a space and check the word usage and change it to something a little better, right? Fix the arc agreement, and you're gonna see the right here the final result, right? If suggestions doesn't fit your style, you can choose to ignore it. Grammarly will adapt over time based on your preferences, right? And of course, do not forget to check the insights weekly. In my case, I just downloaded the app. So if you got the free version and you started writing and doing your stuff on Grammarly, and you came back a week later and they require that you have the premium, then of course you need to upgrade. But if you don't, you can just check it out and make sure that you analyze your improvement over time. By using Grammarly AI, you can not only avoid mistakes but also take control of your writing style, from tracking consistency to improving vocabulary. Grammarly is the perfect tool to help you write with confidence and clarity. Happy writing, and do not forget to like and subscribe.